Hey, Chip,
Hey, Tamara.
what's the tip of the day?
Today's tip is to write out a communication plan. As you drive improvement and bring your safety program to life, know what content you're going to create, when you're going to deliver it, and how that is going to get delivered. It really helps if you can make it, plan it out a couple of months, maybe even a whole year's worth of ideas and content that you want to share. That way, you're not up against a deadline every time you're trying to drive information out about your program. So the tip of the day: plan your communications.
Don't you have a workshop coming up?
We do. It's Thursday. It's coming up. We're going to spread it out over 3 weeks. It's 2 hours each day. So the 20th, 27th, and June 3rd. Anybody that registers can bring up to 3 people. And we are looking forward to helping share some best practices and some things that we've learned over the years to help companies drive improvement in their EH&S programs.
Great. See you then.
Okay, thanks for the time.